everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. If you have a toddler that loves playing games or watching shows on a device, you probably also need a break from the sound of those things. These Snug Play Kids headphones are so awesome. I got these because we're going to be going on a trip with our toddler and we don't need everyone on the airplane hearing his shows. But also I have been using these at home to get him used to them, and it is a great break for me from listening to the children's shows when he's watching them. I love that they fold right up nice and compact, so if you are on the go, you can throw them into the diaper bag or a backpack or something. And it's adjustable, which is awesome because my son has a larger head, so we have to adjust it a little bigger for him. Also, if you have a toddler, you know that they're not always super gentle with their things, but he pulls these off all the time and he throws them around. And I think he's even sat on them a couple times and they are still in great condition. If you're looking for a set of headphones for your toddler, I highly recommend these ones. They are so comfortable and they are volume limiting. It is great for giving you a little bit of quiet time from the kids' shows also. And that's my point of view.